Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you with me as I go through one of my last days of spring break, which is very sad, but there are some things that I have put off doing, procrastinating at my finest. I need to tidy up the house just from being home all week and do some laundry. I want to clean my makeup brushes and decorate for spring. Maybe we'll go shopping. I don't know where the day is going to take us, so let's see where we go. Come on. So I went back through and just sort of pressed them all on this towel to get the excess water out and then hung them all back up. I don't wash my brushes nearly as often as I should, but I do know that you're supposed to hang them upside down so that the water doesn't run back to the handle. And so then this little thing was great because all of the different bumps on it help it to get all the different makeup out. I really like this, but to be honest, I normally use like baby shampoo from the travel section and it worked just as well, but since I had it, I used this. This was nice for all the handles, but I will link all of these in my Amazon store down below. So I got a little hot and had to pull the hair up, change to a short sleeve shirt, but I think I'm gonna go grab some lunch and then go to Target. I have a few things that I need to get, plus I would really like to see what kind of spring decor they have before I start decorating. Well, it's the next day. So I started to not feel very well at Target, so I came home, took some ibuprofen, took a nap, and then just kind of chilled the rest of the afternoon and evening, finished watching Bridgerton, and just decided I needed some time. So here we are, Sunday. I go back to school tomorrow after spring break, and I still have quite a bit to do. I've kind of moved some things off my priority list. I'm probably not gonna get to decorating today because I wanna go through each part of the house, do like a quick 10-minute tidy, just because I have been living here all week. I mean, I live here every week, but you know what I'm saying? Like when you're home all day, you just tend to make little messes. So I want to do that. I need to do laundry, kind of need to go grab a few groceries so I have lunches for this coming week and just a few of those things. But first, I want to show you what I got at Target. So I didn't get a whole lot. There weren't as many spring items as I was kind of hoping for. I'm probably just late to the season. Which is kind of good because I didn't really need to spend all that money, but I did pick up some, what color is this? Eucalypta. I need to paint my toenails because it's sandal season here in the South. And then I picked up some shampoo. I really love the way this smells. And then I also picked this up that's curl defying cream. I don't know, I've never tried it before. Since I got my hair cut, it's a lot curlier because the length of it isn't weighing it down, but I don't have any curl product anymore because it had been like 4 years since I cut my hair. 4 years? 3 years, 4 years this summer, so 3.5. It smells good, so hoping that will help with the curl. Then I picked this little stackable thing up in the Target dollar spot. Here's what it looks like. I'm actually gonna take this to school, I think. We'll see how it goes. I always have like the little things on my desk, whether it's like a screw or a piece of something that went to like the Legos or a manipulative or something that I thought, I wonder if I could put that kind of stuff in there and it would kind of keep it from being cluttered. Then I picked up these little stacking trays. I don't know if you can see that. It's, they're ceramic. I think you're supposed to paint them if you want to, but I want to put them in my tiered tray that I have on my counter. So this one is divided and then this one is just empty. To like put little random things that just show up on my counter. So that's the plan for that. And then I picked up a clock, little desktop clock. I want to put it on my mantle because when I am facing the TV, I sit usually in this chair and there's a clock up here, but I'm facing away from it and the counter's too high to see the stove clock, so that way I know what time it is. So yeah, I hope it looks cute. I'll leave the tags on it until I'm for sure that that's what I want. So that was my little tiny Target haul. Of course, I don't have any batteries, so I guess I'll add that to my grocery shopping list today. So here's how that looks. Of course, that will change once I add some spring. I like it. It's a little small. I might need to put like some books or something underneath it. We'll see. There we have it, friends. I still have laundry to do. You could probably hear it. I still need to go to the grocery store to get some things for lunches this week. But other than that, I am ready for the week ahead. Only like 3 more weeks until we get a long weekend for Easter. And then countdown to the end of the year. It's coming. I hope that you're having an amazing week and I will see you next time.